Question number 5. Find the general solution of the trigonometry equation cos 4x equal to cos 2x. Listen children, left side and right side are in terms of variable x. So in this type, we have to write the given equation as in the form cos 4x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Okay. Now this is of the form cos x minus cos y, right? What is cos x minus cos y? It is minus sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So using the result, we can write cos 4x minus cos 2x as, listen, minus 2 sin x plus y, that is 4x plus 2x by 2 into sin x minus y, sin 4x minus 2x by 2 equal to 0. On simplification, we can see it is minus 2 sin 4x plus 2x 6x, 6x by 2 is 3x into sin 4x minus 2x is 2x, 2x by 2 is sin x equal to 0. So minus 2 into sin 3x into sin x equal to 0 means either sin 3x equal to 0 or sin x equal to 0. That is, if product of two numbers is equal to 0 means either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. So in the similar manner, sin 3x into sin x equal to 0 means either sin 3x equal to 0 or sin x equal to 0. Okay. Sin 3x equal to 0 means sin 3x equal to sin n pi. By heart the result, sin n pi is equal to 0. So sin 3x equal to sin n pi means 3x equal to n pi or x equal to n pi by 3. Now listen the next case, sin x equal to 0 for all values of x equal to n pi. Okay, sin n pi equal to 0. So what is x? X equal to n pi. So x equal to n pi by 3 or x equal to n pi are the general solution of the equation cos 4x equal to cos 2x. Okay students. 6. Cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x equal to 0. We want to find the general solution. So listen, associate these two terms cos 3x plus cos x. So it is of the form cos x plus cos y. Cos x plus cos y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Okay. So what is cos 3x plus cos x using this identity? It is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 minus cos 2x equal to 0. Now simplify. It is 2 cos 3x plus x is 4x, 4x by 2, 2x into cos 3x minus x is 2x, 2x by 2, x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Here cos 2x is common, so take it outside. Cos 2x into 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Now listen children, cos 2x into bracketed expression gives 0 means either cos 2x equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Now listen, cos is always 0 for all odd multiples of pi by 2. That is cos 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 equal to 0. 2n plus 1 is the general form of odd numbers. When we put n equal to 0, cos pi by 2 becomes 0. N equal to 1, cos 3 pi by 2 equal to 0. Cos 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2. That is, for all odd multiples of pi by 2, cos becomes 0. So consider the first expression, cos 2x equal to 0 for odd multiples of pi by 2. Okay, so this 0 can be rewritten as cos 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So cos 2x equal to cos 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 means 2x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, or x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, pi by 2 into 1 by 2. That is 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. Okay. So x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4. It is 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2 cos x minus 1 equal to 0 gives 2 cos x equal to 1, or cos x equal to 1 by 2. So this is cos ratio. So 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. That is cos pi by 3. So it is of the form cos x equal to cos y. Then the general solution is 2n pi plus or minus y. So what is the solution of cos x equal to cos pi by 3? It is x equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. So x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 4, or x equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 are the general solutions of the given trigonometry equation cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Okay. Question number 7. The given equation is sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0. Now listen children, this is plus of two trigonometric functions. So we need to convert this expression as into form, product form. Okay. For this, sin 2x can be written as, this is a result, sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Plus cos x equal to 0. Now there is a common factor cos x, take it outside. So cos x into 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. So the given expression converted into product form, cos x into 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. So cos x into 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0 means either cos x equal to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. Now cos ratio is 0 for odd multiples of pi by 2. By heart the result, cos 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 gives 0. So cos x equal to cos 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, or x equal to, listen, 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay. Now 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0. 2 sin x plus 1 equal to 0 means 2 sin x equal to minus 1, or sin x equal to negative 1 by 2. Listen, negative 1 by 2 means negative. For what value of x sin becomes 1 by 2? It is sin 30. Sin 30 means pi by 6. Okay, now use the result, minus sin x equal to sin pi plus x. Listen children, a lot of results are there, so by heart the result, minus sin x equal to sin pi plus x. So what is minus sin pi by 6? It is sin pi plus pi by 6. Now pi plus pi by 6 is sin 7 pi by 6. So sin x equal to sin 7 pi by 6. So it is of the form sin x equal to sin y. Now what is the general form? General solution x equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into y. Here y is the angle 7 pi by 6. So replace x equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into 7 pi by 6 for all integer n. So x equal to 2n plus 1 into, sorry, it is pi by 4. Sorry, pi by 2, sorry. So x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, or x equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into 7 pi by 6 are the general solution of the equation sin 2x plus cos x equal to 0. Okay. Question. We have trigonometry equation sec square 2x equal to 1 minus tan 2x. We want to find the general solution of this equation. Listen, it is a tan ratio. So we want to convert this sec into tan. For this, use the identity 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x. 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x. Then what is sec square 2x? It is, see the angle. It is 1 plus tan square 2x. So sec square 2x can be written as 1 plus tan square 2x equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Here we can cancel this one. So tan square 2x equal to minus tan 2x. Take this term to left side. So this is tan square 2x plus tan 2x equal to 0. Listen, tan square 2x is same as tan 2x the whole square, right? Okay, plus tan 2x equal to 0. So here tan 2x is common, so take it outside. Tan 2x into tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So tan 2x into tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0 means either tan 2x equal to 0 or tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Consider the first case, tan 2x equal to 0. By heart the result, tan n pi equal to 0. So replace 0 as tan n pi. So tan 2x equal to tan n pi, and therefore 2x equal to n pi, or x equal to n pi by 2. So this is the one of the general solution of the given trigonometry equation. Now consider the second case, tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0 or tan 2x equal to minus 1. Now minus 1 can be written as, listen, minus tan 45 is 1. 45 means pi by 4. Now by heart the result, minus tan x is equal to tan pi minus x. Okay, minus tan x equal to tan pi minus x. So minus tan pi by 4 can be written as tan pi minus pi by 4. Now pi minus pi by 4 is 3 pi by 4. So tan 2x equal to tan 3 pi by 4 is of the form tan x equal to tan y. So what is the general solution? X equal to n pi plus y. Here y is 3 pi by 4. So solution is x equal to n pi plus 3 pi by 4. So the general solution of the given equation is either x equal to n pi by 2 or x equal to n pi plus 3 pi by 4. Okay children, so this is an important topic in the chapter trigonometric functions to find principal solution as well as general solution of a trigonometry equation. So by heart all the results, all the formulae. given in the chapter trigonometry equations, and complete all the questions belongs to exercise, and also give importance to examples plus miscellaneous examples given in your textbook. Okay students, so that's about our chapter trigonometric functions. Thank you all.